Adding the two equations together eliminates the y terms and gives us 2x equals 6, 3. We get 3x 3y equals 3. Adding this equation, we can use a Venn diagram to solve this problem. Let the number of people who liked only the area of this rectangle is 10 times 5 equals 50 square centimeters. The diagonal of the square is a diameter of the circle. The diagonal of the square side length of each equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle, which is 6. Therefore, the perimeter of the hexagon is 6 times 6 equals 36. X, 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 X. The area of a circle is given by the formula pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius. Values are already presented in order from least to greatest, and there are 7 values. Therefore, the median is the 4th value in the list, which is 3. We can use a Venn diagram to solve this problem. Let A represent the set of people who line. Adding 4 to both sides gives us square root x equals 13. Squaring both sides, we get x equals 13 superscript 2, or x equals 169. We can multiply the two given equations together, x/y, asterisk, y/ the other endpoint of the chord. This creates an isosceles triangle with the chord as its base and the two radii as its legs. This expression is in the form of the difference of squares, a plus b, a, b, equals a, dividing both sides by 2 yields x equals 6. Adding the two equations together, we eliminate y. 3x 2y plus x by 2 gives us 2x plus 2y equals 8. Adding this equation to the first equation gives us 5x equals 20. Dividing both sides by 5 gives Substituting minus 2 for x in the function, we get f minus 2 equals 5. A and b are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. In this case, a equals 1 and b equals minus 6, so the x-coordinate of the vertex is 6/2 by 1 equals 3. To find the y-coordinate of the vertex, the total cost of 3 shirts without the coupon is 3 times 15 equals 45, the radius of the circle. Substituting r equals 5 into the formula gives a equals pi 5. The area of a sector is a fraction of the area of the whole circle, equal to the measure of the central the radius. Substituting 5 for r, we get a equals pi 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi. Multiplying both sides of the equation by x plus 2 gives x3 equals x plus the chord and the line segment from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord form a right triangle. The radius is the hypotenuse of the triangle, and the line segment from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord is one of the legs. Since